Well, hello everyone, it's Kari from sunshineinmypocket.com. Today I'm excited to share with you some really quick cards made with some new products from Whimsy Stamps. These are quick card fronts, and the ones I'm showcasing today are the Gnome Wishes quick card fronts. They are super cute. They're little leprechauns. This first one I've turned into a full shaker card using a shaker panel. This one says, "The gnomes made me do it." And I think it's so fun. I've used some really fun confetti in St. Patrick's Day colors with green and gold. This is from This Calls for Confetti, and it is so beautiful. And so this one just made me laugh, which is why I had to do a video and show this with you and turn this second one into a card with you on screen. So for this one, I am going to use some dark green cardstock, and I will trim down this card panel just a little bit so I have enough room for this green mat all around the panel and a little room for the white to peek around all the outside. So I'm just going to glue this on the card front here. You can see I'm leaving a little bit of space around all the edge, and then I'll glue on this Gnome Wishes quick card front panel. One of the great things about these quick card front panels is they are cute enough on their own that you could leave it just like this, but they also come with sentiments already included. So all you have to do is cut them out and figure out where to put them on. You could put them on the outside, you could put them on the inside. You really could add them anywhere or leave a sentiment off altogether. It's totally up to you. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and add it to the bottom of this panel. And then I'm going to add a little bit of decoration with some of these sequins. Now these are the kind that do not have the holes in the middle. They're more like confetti. And so I'll add some gold up here at the top, which just reminds me of St. Patrick's Day. And then some green ones here all along the grass. This will just dress up this card panel just a little bit, adding some texture, dimension, and interest. And that's all I'm really going to do to finish off this card. So I'll just use my gem picker to pick those up and add a little bit of glue and attach those to this card front and allow it to dry. Just really, really cute. Now you can do as much or as little to these card fronts as you want. I've seen some designers add flowers, ribbons, all kinds of frames and other things, which is really, really fun. And I have some more ideas to share with you as well. But take a look at just how cute both of these cards turned out with these little gnomes. Here's a little close-up of that one with the added confetti. To gnome you is to love you, it says. And then this one, the gnomes made me do it with the shaker, is really fun to shake around. And that one just makes me laugh. Now this is an earlier one. This is the Chocolate Sweetheart quick card fronts, and I popped up that sentiment with some foam tape. And that's all I did, and just added it to the front of the card, just like that. For this one, I added a little bit more of the frames in some chocolate colors, and it says, "I like you almost as much as chocolate." I added a little bit of that shimmer paper to the background. Now this one here is the Wavy Pierced Rectangles die, and I just cut it out of a hot pink frame and added it to this one, and then popped up that sentiment with some foam tape that says, "You are so sweet." Now doesn't that look delicious? So, so good. I'm also going to show you one that I did a lot earlier just because I wanted to give you some more ideas of what to do with these quick card fronts and how to dress them up just a little bit more. This one I added some glitter paper, and you can see a pink frame around this one. Just how precious is that little snowman? This is the Snowball Friends quick card fronts. And for this one, I die cut the word Christmas with some glitter paper, stamped on Merry and Bright, and used some little banners to add to the side here with a staple, and then a little frame around that one to match as well. They're so fun and so fast and quick to make. I love that a lot, and all the card fronts are just beautiful, breathtaking. People love them when I show them as well. So go head on over to the Whimsy store. You'll also see card fronts like these ones, which are really fun with these old ladies. There's also some grandpa ones. So many to choose from, and I think you're going to love them as much as I do. I hope you enjoyed this short video today, just giving you a little glimpse of these quick card fronts and how fast they are to turn into cards. I really adore these gnomes though. I mean, you can't beat those. And look at the little shamrocks on there. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope you'll go head over to Instagram and follow our Instagram hop for a chance to win. Don't forget to like and comment on this video as well. And I'll be back with more cards to share real soon. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.